I'm Scottie J for Damn Good Reviews, and today we have the RUNMUS K2 Pro High Performance Professional Gaming Headset. This is a multi-purpose gaming headset with the capability of working on a numerous level of PCs, Xbox, consoles. It can plug into all types of things, comes with adapters, etc. You get this guy on Amazon. I picked up the cool red color. I'm a big fan of red, but it comes in 3 different varieties: red, blue, and black. So it comes in a nice, cool matte box. Has a picture, obviously, what's inside. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we have inside here. So it's packed pretty securely, as you can see. Looks like it comes in its own bubble wrap. So go ahead and unwrap that. So we have what appears to be the headset inside the bubble wrap. And then inside the box we have, looks like the user manual and a free gift. What? Wow, looks like if you let them know and you register your item, you get an opportunity to win something. So they have a kind of ongoing contest, I guess. But it's a little bit complicated. I guess you got to go in there and send them an email, tell them what you think of their own thing, and then you have a possibility to win a free gift. So it's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take a look-see at the headset. So this is the headset. Comes with a nice braided wire cable here. So that's kind of cool. Has a nice big configurator for your volumes. You want to turn the mic on and off, all available right there. Really long cable. Looks like it's wrapped up with a cool built-in Velcro grip. And then at the end here, looks like we have a USB plug for power and or audio. And that's covered up nicely. And then we have, oh, this appears to be the adapter. So if you want to use this on PC, it has your headphone and microphone jack. Or if you want to use it on your Xbox or PlayStation console, looks like it just has the 3-in-1 connector port right there. So that's kind of cool. And then overall, looks like this is in here pretty securely, so that doesn't come out. Good solid construction, has a nice flex to it. Looks like you can adjust that however you please. The headset comes down as such. And this looks like it has some very soft. Oh, that'd be good. So there you go. That is the K2 Pro from RUNMUS, high performance professional gaming headset. That's what's in the box.